welcome. We are currently about to say our goodbyes to Victoria as we're about to cross over the border to South Australia. Hello, today we went to a really cute winery and had a wine tasting there, and now we're parked up at a free campsite and we're making a stir fry for dinner. And tonight's supposed to get to like 0 degrees, so wish us luck. Hi, we're in a cute little town. We're probably about, how far away are we from Adelaide?
About an hour.
About an hour. So we're getting closer to Adelaide. I just bought the South Australian famous fruit chocks, if I'm saying that right. I've actually already tried the apricot ones, but I bought the cherry one, so I was going to give it a little taste test. Yeah, it's basically like got cherry inside it and it's covered with dark chocolate. Mmm. Do you like it?
It's like a cherry ripe.
Yeah, it literally just tastes like a cherry ripe in a bowl. But they're still good. We are currently in a town called Strathalbyn. Here, and we're going to a cool little brewery. I can't even pronounce. Brewery called Prancing Pony Brewery, and it's about a 30-minute drive from here. So it's Friday night, so that's where we're off to. Good morning. We are currently driving off to a strawberry field to pick some strawberries. For fun, not for work. So we're at the strawberry fields and they've got beautiful, big, juicy strawberries. One for the box. They're so good. Okay, we're back in the van now from strawberry picking, and we went to the gift shop and we bought this chili sauce that they've made here on the farm. People at home are probably like, Ella, why'd you get chili sauce? I actually like spicy food now, people. Ben's just getting something to put the hot sauce on so we can give it a taste. Yum, Ben, smell it.
Yum.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's hot. We got like the hottest one.
It's hot, but it's got a nice flavour to it, which is like always one of my ideal things with the chili sauce. Like, it sucks when it's just super spicy and nothing else, and when it's actually got a nice flavour.
Yeah, for sure. It's got a very nice barbecue taste to it.
Yeah,
though.
like a smoky flavour.
Well, I'm happy about that.
Happy.
Okay. On to the next adventure. We are now in a town called Hahndorf. It's, what did it say? The oldest...
Australia's oldest German town.
Yeah, Australia's oldest German town, and it's so cute. I can't wait to get out and have a look.